Hello friends, now me like display this electronic rollbook me been creating na me put him stuff. I suppose you plan interested you plug in comment na me by making video blue this la. You plug in look him. I me enter him name Lus Martin. Number by auto generated by just come up met me fast forward go next. But tutorial blow lo come up in auto generated numbers me put him finish lo the YouTube channel, so you can click him link on top now by leading go na by watch this ta na blow gender blow also Martin me using data validation now me create him male and female option. So as you can see me making finish. So if you're interested you can just comment and by me look him now by me show me upload this la. Now lo date of birth to one kind do you enter him born day blow beginning na age blame by generating automatically. So as you can see automatically generated age. Now place of residence maybe just fast forward because you can put okay. Now come M1 T1 and all this minimum Monday week 1 Monday week 2. Now you got 4 button 1 present absent sick na good reason lo absence lo so Martin can you say family member sick or this like kisim permission lo admin lo go place or this like but time you press him now can you say present now you can look him tick come up now total number blue tick him show him lo vertical line now horizontal line one time and can you say sick to absent mx sick 1 plus 0 can you say na good reasons blue absence blue discussion Martin 1 plus 0 na dot inside can you say na total calculation same make him some blue present absence sick na good reason blue absence give him notice la boxes down below. Thank you for watch. Just a reminder that such is coming out soon, so don't forget to hit the subscribe button so that you won't miss out on the upcoming video.